Now screen is visible, friend. Let me know that voice is clear, everything is fine. Come, let's.
Yeah, we
Yes, na? Yeah. Okay. Let's other also join. Then we will continue. Okay. Okay, guys. Shall we start now? Shall I start now? Okay. So let's start the session. Okay. Let's start the session. Okay. Two, two, three people. I think is still okay. Shall we wait it? Okay. Let it be. Okay. Let's start now. Okay, so this is the service class. Okay, na, this is the service class. Inside that, what we will use now, this IMPL DAO interface, right? So okay, na, so come here and we will see that. But first, what is that? We will decide its implementation class name. Okay, we will decide its implementation class name. What is the implementation class name? Plus what is that? Employee service IMPL. Okay na, this is the class name. Okay na? I will take this name only, friend. Okay na, at the time of development. Okay, at the time of what is that development, I will take this name only. Okay, okay guys, so fine now. Okay, okay, so what is that? To interact with our service class DAO layer. So what we will do now, I employ DAO, we will use this attribute here. Okay na, so just what is that? DAO, D private DAO, what is that? I employ DAO, right? DAO, we will use this interface. Okay na, yeah. So and between this class to this interface, which relation is there? Is a relation is there, right? Is a relation is there. Is a relation is there. Okay guys, now fine. So after then, okay, till now the things is completed, guys. Okay na, till now the things is completed. Yeah, sorry, it's my mistake. Has a relation. Okay, who is the observed this thing? One person is there. Satish. Very nice, Satish, thank you. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Has a relation is there, right? Okay. Thanks, Rag. Thanks, Rag means what? Okay. So okay, fine guys. Okay na? Fine guys. Okay, so fine. So but where we will use now? Where we will use now these things? Okay. We will use inside what controller? This interface. Okay na? So for that we will write the controller, right? So for that, but here one thing is there. We already use in the previous session. What is that? Validation. I will give that validation also, right? Validation UML diagram also, friend, but we already implemented in our project. Okay na, we already implemented in our project. So again those concept I will not implement. I will tell here I implemented already. But this till now whatever things I explained, right, whatever diagram I given, those things I'm going to implement front of you people only, right? Front of you people only. Okay, fine friend. So fine now. So okay, so the think about this is our controller. Okay na, which one will expose our data to what is that? Our UI, right? For that to use these services, right? So to use these services we will take these things inside what? We will take these things inside what? Where in the controller only, right? Controller only. Okay, so here think about that com dot rk dot what is that? Controller. This is what? Our controller class, right? This is our what? Controller class. What is that? Employee controller, right? employee controller. This is our employee controller. Okay na, where we are using this one, where we are using this one, inside that employee controller only, right? Employee controller only. Okay, so what we are using now, what we are using now, inside the employee controller, this is a, we will make this employee controller with the easy relation between what is that I service, I employee service, right? I employee services, private, what is that, private, private, what is that, I employee, employee service, I employee service. Okay na, here service, here service. Okay na, we are using this one with what, with what, the service class. Okay na, what is the relation between these two? Is a relation. Okay na, is a relation, has a relation, sorry, why is a relation is coming every time, yeah? What relation is there? Has a relation. Okay, has a relation. Okay, so till now things we will implement, friend. Okay na, but one more thing I already implemented in our project. Okay na, those UML diagram also I'm going to give you people. Okay na, so already Spring framework is given to perform what is that, server side validation. To perform what is that, server side validation, Spring people is given what is that, validator, right? Validator one interface. Okay na, so okay, so means to perform, if we want to perform what is that, server side validation, for that Spring people is given what is that, in which package, what is the package name, org dot what is the Spring framework. Okay na, so the interface name is what is the interface name, plus validator, right? Validator, this is the interface, right? This is the interface. I will show you. Okay na, in the project I already implemented in the last session, guys. Okay na, okay, so this is the interface, right? This is the interface. Okay na, so means using this interface, what we are doing now, what we are doing now, we are performing what is that, server side validation, guys, right? Server side validation. Okay, so by using this interface on, okay, so by using this interface. Okay, so but we know that this is the interface, who is given, Spring people is given, right? Spring people is given. So if we want to write, if we want to write our own logic to perform what is that, server side validation, for that we have need to go its implementation class, right? So its implementation class, we will take our own class, right? And we will implement in that class this interface, right? This interface we will implement in that class. Okay na, so okay fine, now okay fine, so come here. Okay na, so what is that, just I'm taking what is that, employee validator, the package name org dot rk dot what is that, validation, validation, right? Validation, inside that what is that, inside that we are taking the class name employee, this is the class name. Okay na, this is the class name. Okay fine, guys. And what is the relation we will stable with the interface, Spring interface, validator interface, is a relation. Here what is the relation is there between these two our validator class, between what is that, validation interface, is a relation. Okay, now okay, is a relation, is a relation. Okay, so fine, so fine, guys. Okay na, so what is that, one method is there where we are writing the our logics, where we are writing the logics. Okay na, where we are validator, validate method is there, inside that we are writing the logics. Okay na, so now the things is completed, but this class where we are using in the our controller only, right? In our controller only we are using this one also, right? Okay, okay fine, guys. What is the relation is there? What is the relation? Has a relation between these two classes, okay na? So our total project dfd, friend, this is our total project dfd now, okay na? So let's set the environment, all environment to perform what is that database operation, okay na? To perform what is that database operation. After then all operation, save operation, delete operation, update operation, all operation we will perform, okay na? All operation we will perform. But first let's one more thing is left, guys, okay na? Model class, we are based on the model class only we are saving the data, right? So for that we will create what is that, we will take the model class also, right? Model class, okay, model class little bit big, okay na? Here only I'm creating. So the model class name is what is that, com dot rk dot what is that, model. Okay, class name is what is that, employee. Class name is what, employee, right? Class name is what is that, employee. Okay, fine, guys. So fine, in the employee how many attributes are there, how many attributes are there? Okay, based on that form only already we created. Come to our project, I will see that, okay na? Employee name, emp password, emp gender, emp address, emp country, emp language, this property already there, okay na? So for that we will take those property here only, right? Okay, what is that, minus emp first id we will take, okay na? Integer. Another one is what is that, employee name, emp name, right? Emp name, what is that, a string. After then what is that, emp pwd, p pwd, right? Okay, so what is that, a string, this one also a string only, okay na? Another one is what is that, emp password, emp gender, and employee address, okay na? Private, what is that, emp gender, right? Gender, okay, what is that, this one also string only. After then what is that, another one more is there, emp address, addr, addrs, right? This one also is string, right? This one also is string, okay na? Employee addr gender, employee country is there, right? Yeah, what is that, another one is what, emp country, country. This one also is string. Country is list, I think. No, employee country, okay. So employee language is string, okay na? So another one is what is that, emp lng lang, okay na? Language, what is that, list. This one is what is that, list of string. Yeah, this is our model data, right? We are going to perform on the operation on this one only, right? This one only, okay, fine, guys, fine. Okay, so now all DFD, all data flow diagram I created in front of you people, guys. Okay, let's work on that, right? Let's work on that. First we will set the environment. We will set the environment. After then we will implement what is that project things. Okay, now without environment we can't able to work on that, right? So because of that I given what is that, this DFD diagram, friend. Okay, na? Because of that I given what is that, this DFD diagram. Okay, so okay, fine, so let's see that. Okay, let's see that at what is that, this DFD diagram, okay na? So based on this DFD diagram, let's first what is that, to perform what is that, spring ORM, right? So some dependency we have need, right? So already some dependency we kept, but still whatever dependency we have need, I'm going to list out, friend. I'm going to list out, and first we will put those dependency in what is that, in the perm.xml. Then we will work on that, okay na? So spring, no, first I will write here, okay na? First I will write what is the still dependency we have need, okay? So for that what is that, one dependency we have need is spring orm. Another dependency we have need, what is that, to interact with white mysql dependency. Another one more dependency we have need, hibernate. Hibernate core.
Core.
Another one more need, right? See, you people remember or not, when I was sent the from the in the Spring model, right? Server, from the server to browser list of data. For that I use what is a GSTL. Anyone remember that things? Anyone? When I was sent from the server to GSP list of data, for that I use what is that GSTL. Yes. So for that to perform, because I will send the list of employee object, for that I will use what GSTL. So for that, what is that GSTL? I will use what is that GSTL dependency also, right? GSTL dependency also. See boss, all concept on that day I said that, right? I said that future I will use this one. Because of that I am explaining the, I said that how many time I said that I know that this concept is small, but based on this concept only I will do big thing in the project. Okay na? I think this statement people are remember, right? On that day only I was said, yeah, Java is that servlet. Yeah, Padma. Good, 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 very good. Okay na? GSTL. Okay, fine. After then what is that? Some core operation also we are performing. For that spring context. Okay na? This dependency I'm going to add in our project, right? Again I'm going to add this dependency in our project, guys. Okay na? Okay, so let's add this dependency and we will continue our work. Okay na? We will continue our work. Okay na? So let's go on the browser. Which dependency? Spring ORM. Copy this one, come inside that form.xml, our project form.xml yeah, it's open, right? Okay, paste it here. Another one is what? Another one, MySQL, right? MySQL, Maven dependency. Copy this dependency, paste inside that. What is that? Inside the, after then come here, okay? What is that? Another one is what is that? Hibernate core dependency, right? Hibernate core dependency. Another one is what? Another one is what? Spring context. This is the project setup is going on, guys. Okay na? This is the project setup is going on. Before in the industry, doing the work in the project, they are setting the environment and all those things. They are analyzing the dependency. Okay na? All dependency, just we are writing the logic. We are not putting the dependency every day in the company. Okay na? So these things we are doing the setup. Okay na? Project setup. After then we will start the work. That's it. Okay na? After then one more to perform what is that? GSTL operation. For that GSTL, right? GSTL Maven dependency. See, At the time of copy the GSTL, please use the Java X servlet. Okay na? If you 1 minute, if you select this one, okay na, this one, then the things will not. Just open this one, okay na? Just open this one. See, group ID should be Java X, servlet X, not a GSTL, right? If you copy this one, it will not work, friend. Okay na? It will not work. Okay na? Which one you have to copy now? Which one you have to copy now? I will tell. I will tell. Okay na? How to add? Okay, no, this one Java X dot, this one, copy this one. Okay na? Java X dot servlet GSTL, then it will work. Yeah, here already there, right? See, group ID Java X dot servlet. Okay na? GSTL, this one you have to copy it. Don't copy other. Okay na? Otherwise it will not work. Now paste it. Okay na? All dependency, whatever dependency we have need, guys, all dependency we copied from what? Internet. Now let's start our work. Let's start our work now. Okay, project updation is going on. Okay na? Wait it until unless the project is not completing. Yes, yes. Now let's update the project. Right click on that. Right click on that Maven. Maven. After, oh, what's happening now? Right click on the project. Maven. Update the project. Yeah. Now things is completed. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's go on. What is that? Our own what? So shall I increase here now only? Okay. Still wait it. Still wait it. No need to modification here. Okay. Okay. So now come to our diagram. Come to our diagram, and we will see that. Let's start the things from here only, right? Let's start the things from here onward. Okay, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's okay na. So okay, so fine now. Okay, come to here where we will go now. App configuration, right? App configuration, because already Spring is given these beans, right? These beans already Spring people is given. Just we have need to use it, right? So I already said number of bean equal to number of method in Spring configuration. Fine. Okay na, friend. Okay, so fine. What we will do now? Come here. I will add inside this application configuration. Okay, so what is that? Public, what is that? Data source, right? Data source. Wait, my system is hanging now. Okay, so now, okay, data source. Okay, so fine. Yeah, what is that? Des. Okay, now I'm taking the method name des. Inside that, what is that? What I take in? Come here, come here, come inside that. What is that? Driver manager data source, right? So okay, we will take driver manager data source. Okay, okay, so ds equal to what is that? New driver manager data source. Okay, yes guys. Okay, so now fine. So return type, just I'm taking null here only, null. Okay, now I will take. Okay, so this is the method, right? This is the method. If we want to make this method as a bean method, right? So what annotation we will apply? At the rate bean, right? At the rate bean. Okay, so now, okay, so come here. How many properties are there? Driver class name, url string, url username, password. Okay, so let's take it. What is that? Ds dot, what is that? Ds dot, what is that? Class name, driver class name. Okay, so we will take these things from the property file, friend. Okay, we will take, okay, ds dot, what is that? Set what is that? url, right? Url we will take from the property. Okay, now wait it. Okay, so after then, what is that? Ds dot set username. Okay, see boss, I'm not that much again and again I'm explaining, because already I explained these things. Okay, now just I'm using that. And even yesterday I also intimated in the group, please collect your orm knowledge, right? Again I will not explain what is the data source, why we are using that, all those things. I still, anyone need, let me know that. Use the chat box, guys. Use the chat box. Be active, yaar. Be active. Okay, only 3 member. Yes, guys. These things only need from you people, okay, na? Because already whatever concept I explained, and whenever I have need again and again, if I explain, then it's use means that is not useful for us, okay, na? Every time I can't explain the same things, okay? Yeah. Okay, so fine. Okay, so what we will do now, we will read these things from the property file. Okay, na? So okay, come in the property. We have already property, right? We have already property, application property. Fine. Okay, so this is our application property file. So for that, what is that? Let's take, what is that? A database driver, mysql property, properties, right? What is that? What is that? Driver, my driver. Another one is, what is that? My url, right? Another one is, what is that? My password, user. Another one is, what is that? My pwd. Okay, these are the properties, right? So come to internet, let's go to internet. And what is that? My sql, what is that? Url. We will copy from the internet only. Okay, who will remember these things? Okay, now our mind is a small mind every time. And even our profession is also not to teaching, right? Our profession is to teaching, right? No, na, our profession is doing job, software engineer we are. Okay, na? So these things we can't remember, just copy, just know the way, just know the way, right? This is the driver. After then, another one is, what is that? url. This one is the url. Okay, from here to here I'm copying this one. And what I'm doing now, here I'm pasting now. Okay, na? Achilles. Okay, so what is that? What is that? Root, my database, mysql database, username is root, and password also root only, right? So okay, the things is completed. But come to database, let's create one employee database inside that mysql, right? So here, what is that? mysql, this one is what? emp already is there, employee also already there, right? So shall I use this? emp. I will use emp. Inside that emp nothing is there, huh? Let's drop it, right? Let's drop it. Whatever things is there, let's drop it. Already I have emp table, right? Emp database, so I will use this one only, right? Inside that, see that nothing is there, okay na? Okay guys, okay, so let's okay na, let's see that, okay na? Come to project, right? Come to project, let's take the emp here only. Okay, so how we can read these things in the here we know that, right? We learn already. So okay, so what is that? Env, already environment, env dot get property. Get property, right? Get property, here we will read all keys, right? So what is the key name? What is the key name? My driver. Okay, I taken the key name my driver. We will pass here. Someone actually, I'm stopping. What is that? Screen sharing again. I will share that, because someone is used like this marking, right? It's look like not good. Okay na? Yeah, now fine guys, now screen is visible, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, fine guys. Okay, so now again what is that? Again what is that? Come, env dot what is that? Get a property, right? Get property. Okay, fine. So what we will take the key, what we will take the here my right, my url. Okay, so copy this one, copy this one, and come here. Okay, paste it here. Okay, so now fine friend. Okay, so now next one is what? Next one is what? Come here. Okay, so user is there, right? Username root. Okay, so what is that? Env dot get property, right? Env dot get property. Inside that we will use the user. Okay, after the next one is what? My password, right? My password. Come here, come here. Okay, what is that? Env dot get property. Get property, inside that we will pass it. Okay, so now our data source, till now the things is completed guys. Okay, these things we completed. Now as a practically this much operation we completed, this much operation we completed now. Okay na? So now okay fine, let's move on, and we will implement next level things. Okay na? We will implement these things. Okay na? Till now from here to here we will implement it. Okay, from here let's implement these operation. Okay na? These operation guys. Okay, so let's implement it. Okay, so okay, okay fine guys. Come to diagram. Okay na? Come to diagram. What is that? Local session factory is there, right? Local, what is that? Local session factory guys. Okay, so but first local session factory need property also, right? Hibernate property. So let's first what we will do now, let's create first what is that? Hibernate property. After then we will implement. Okay na? Okay, let's create the property only, right? So okay, so what is that? First I will do, no, suddenly need, right? Suddenly need. Okay, no, I will first, I will do this one only. Okay, so what is that? Public, what is that? Public, what is that? Local session factory bean is there, right? Local session factory bean is there guys, right? Local session factory bean, yeah. Okay, so what is that? Local session factory bean. Okay, yeah. What is that? LSFB. Okay na? I'm taking the method name just. Okay, return, what is that? Return just null, I'm returning. Okay, so now okay, so how we can make this method as a bean? We will apply top of on this method. What is that? Bean annotation guys. Okay, so fine. Okay, come down. Okay, so now fine. Okay guys, so now okay, what is that? Local session factory bean. Okay, local session factory bean LB equal to what is that? Local session factory bean. Okay, inside that I already wrote, see that how many method? Data source, hibernate property, and annotation classes. Okay na? Annotation classes, these three method we have need, right? So what is that? LB dot what is that? Session, right? We have need what is that? Local session. Just write the session, na, you will get. Oh, sorry for that. What is the method name, guys? Data source. Sorry for that. Data source, right? Data source. Okay, na. LB dot data source, right? Set data source. Okay, this method we will use. Inside that, what we will do now? This method name we will pass. Okay, na? Because it will use that data source only, right? To interact with what database. Okay, so now lb dot, what is that? Another one is what? Come to here, come here. What is that? Hibernate property, right? Hibernate property to perform what? Create, update, delete operation, dilate, and all those things we have need or not. So for that, what we will use now? What we will use now? Those things, right? So for that, what is that? Set, what is that? Set property, right? Set hibernate property, right? Hibernate, set hibernate property. Okay, but this one will take, what is that? Property, right? Just I'm passing here null now. After then I will implement. Okay, na. Another one is I take in, what is that? Another one is annotation class list. I will not take. I will take another one, scan, lb dot, what is that? Scan one package is there. Yes, CAN. 1 minute. 1 minute. Package scan is there. I will use that one only. Yeah, set package scan. Inside that, just we will pass, what is that? com.rk.model, modle. There in the package, how many model we will take? Those many model it will scan and it will inject. Okay, na, no need. Otherwise here particular that class name we have need to take. Okay, so now, okay, so let's return that, right? Let's return that. What we will return that? Just lb we will return here. Okay, so now fine, friend. So but here to perform hibernate operation we have need hibernate property, right? So for that we will write the core java property we will use. Okay, na. Public, what is that? Property, right? Property is prop, right? Prop. Okay, so return, what is that? Return null. Return null. Okay, so it's make this one as, what is that? Bean, @bean, right? Okay, fine. So okay, guys, first what we will do now? Let's come to what? Our property file. Okay, na. So write it hibernate property, guys. Please tell all property I want from you people. Okay, na. Hibernate properties. First one, what we will use now? First one, what we will use?
Dialect.
hb dot dilate. Use the chat box, guys. Okay, na. Here just I want to see that how many people remember the property. Okay, I want to know that how many people still remember that property. Okay, dialect. Okay, another one is what? hb dot, what is that? SQL. Format format s format, that's it. Okay, another one is, what is that? hb dot SQL. So show. So another one is what? Another one is what? hbm ddl, right? Okay, so he hbm ddl create. I'm taking first time create. After then here also I'm making true, right? This one also I'm making, what is that? True. Here dilate we will copy from what? The class. Okay, na. So for that I'm giving the what is that? Shortcut. Okay, na. Yes. Okay, control shift T, right? We will grab this button. Okay, control shift T. See what happened now. Something different is happening, right? Control shift T. Yeah, here what is that? MySQL dilate only, dilast, dilate.